Today we're making overnight oats with peaches and chia seeds. So I got these really delicious white peaches from the farmer's market and they're perfectly ripe. So I'm ready to work with these. When you get peaches, you want them to be soft to the touch. If they're hard, they're not ready to eat. If they're too mushy, that's a sign that they've gone bad. So you definitely want soft to the touch, but not mush to the touch. Okay, so I chopped up 2 large-sized white peaches into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to put 2 cups of oatmeal, just standard. You could do quick oats. You could do whatever kind of oats you want as long as they are able to absorb liquid. Okay, then I did 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. And then I did 1/4 cup of monk fruit sugar sweetener. You can use whatever sweetener you want. You could leave it out altogether. Monk fruit is a 0-calorie, all-natural sweetener that comes from a plant. I think it's tastier than stevia. You could use whatever sweetener you like, basically. Okay, now I added 3 cups of water. You can use almond milk, soy milk, whatever liquid you want, really. But I decided to just use water today. I also squeezed half of a mandarin in there. I thought that would be a fun flavor to combine with the cinnamon and the peaches. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the peaches. And I used this pretty glass bowl basically just for the video to store it in the fridge, but you can use any old Tupperware. If I was making this just for myself, I would not have used this glass bowl. I would have used a big Tupperware or a mason jar, a couple mason jars or something like that. Anyway, so mix it up, wrap it up, and put it in the fridge for overnight, 3+ hours. See, I took it out too soon so I could finish this video. So it's, there's still like some liquid in there that once you leave it overnight or at least 3-4 hours, there won't be any of that liquid. It'll be more absorbed. But that's it. The full recipe is in the description of this video. Don't forget to click the link for my free plant-based ebook with full nutritional information. And don't forget to look for my ebook debuting later on this year with 100 plant-based recipes to help you stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to Any Reason Vegans. Thanks for watching.